You can feel a nice stretch up towards me. Go ahead, deep breath in. And let it all go. Just the body relax to the table.
Oh, 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 okay. I need a second. This is the funniest thing I've done all year.
How did it feel?
Woo! Felt like something was wrong, but it has to be right now. Wow.
So bring the head to the left for me. Just give me a second here. And just let here go. Beautiful. My goodness.
Yeah, wow. Relaxed. Yeah.
That was a lot of cracks.
So much.
Let's come down into me. Perfect. And just let here go. Beautiful.
Oh, okay.
Awesome.
That one felt good.
I don't think we had anything left in that neck there.
Yeah, no, that was.
How are you feeling so far?
I feel like I'm like in like a roller coaster, but like I'm not going anywhere.
Sure.
It's just my body just. It's a good feeling, so I'm good.
Awesome. So you're really short on that left side.
Oh,
So any pain as I press?
no.
Yeah, this right side, like we were talking about, is really tight. Definitely putting a lot of pressure on the hips there. Let's go ahead, nice deep breath in, and let it all go. Very good. My goodness. Okay, deep breath in, and all the way out. Beautiful. Deep breath in, all the way out. Very nice. Okay, deep breath in, all the way out, and just let it go. Very nice. That was amazing.